Hey everybody, so my wife for Christmas got me some propellers, some LED light up propellers for Christmas. And I just wanted to kind of unbox these and show these to you guys. Now make sure if you guys are going to order these that you get either the large pack that contains all four or you buy two of the small packs, because the little small packs only have two propellers. Obviously you have four propellers on your quad and you're going to want four because it's not going to look right with just half of them. So I'm going to show you guys these things really quick. Obviously you want to make sure you put the right propellers on the right side of your drone. Okay, there's some little dash lines on one and there's no lines on the other. And it'll look the same as your propellers on your drone as well. It does not come with a charger, and these instructions are kind of bogus. They're not written very well. But the charger that I use, my daughter has some tennis shoes that use a micro USB charger, and so it has a little splitter, one for each of her shoes. Well, I used that micro USB charger to charge two of these at once, and it worked pretty well. And right now she's my camera person, and she's looking at me like I stole something from her, which I kind of did. But she'll deal with it. Anyways, so now we're just going to wait until it's dark outside and go fly and show you guys what they look like. Coming up. Okay. So I took the liberty of charging them for a little bit before I did this video. That's what they'll look like, but when they're spinning, they're obviously the circles and stuff.
Ooh.
Oh, that is so cool.
One is brighter than the others.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Well, it has blue in it. The others don't.
So the only thing that was bad about it is that some of the lights stopped lighting up after literally like 30 seconds to a minute. And you kind of saw that's why it looked like there was different lights on each propeller. It was really just that different lights didn't actually continue to light up on different propellers. If you're worried about and you want it to perform perfectly, I wouldn't get them. But I still thought they were cool. My wife thought they were really cool. And I'm glad I got them. But if they have to work perfectly, don't get them. I will leave a link in the description, so if you guys are interested or curious, you can go ahead and get them yourselves. They make them for the Mavic Air and the Spark. I'm not sure about any other models, but check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video.